morning, my dear kids. First of all, I wish you a very happy and warm new year, full of joy, happiness, and success. Dears, how was your vacation? Did you celebrate Christmas and New Year? Did you enjoy? I hope you enjoyed your Christmas holidays well. Dear kids, today we are going to learn our fifth lesson. It's a poem. What is the title of the poem? Seaside. The title of the poem is Seaside. It was written by R.S. Stevenson, Robert Louis Stevenson. What's the title of the poem? Seaside. It was written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Do you know what is seaside? Seaside means seashore or beach. Have you ever gone there? How was it? Was it beautiful? What did you do there? Did you play there? Did you dig holes there? I know, we all like to spend time at the seaside. Dears, in this poem, the poet talks about his own experience when he went to a seaside. What did he do? What he had to play there? Yes, this poem describes what he had done at the seaside. Let's start. Lesson 5, Seaside. When I was down beside the sea, a wooden spade they gave to me to dig the sandy shore. Dear children, now I am going to explain these 3 lines. So, pay attention and listen carefully. In these 3 lines, the child is telling us, when I was down beside the sea. It means when the child was sitting at the seaside. Seaside means seashore. A wooden spade was given to the child. Yes, the child, he has a wooden spade. What's the meaning of spade? Do you know? Have you ever seen it? Yes, it's a tool. It is a tool. A spade is a tool which is used to dig holes. The boy, he has a wooden spade. Wooden spade means a spade. It was made by wood. A wooden spade was given to the child, maybe by his parents. Why the spade was given? We already discussed. The spade is used to dig. Yes, it was given to dig the sandy shore. It means to dig the sand out of the shore. The boy, he has a wooden spade. For what? To dig the sandy shore. Sandy shore means beach. Yes. Have you ever seen it? Beach, it is covered with sand. A wooden spade was given to the child. For what? To dig the sandy shore. Dear children, listen here. Here the boy is telling us, when the boy was sitting at the seaside. At the seaside means at the seashore, means beach. A wooden spade was given to the child, maybe by his parents. For what? To dig the sandy shore. Is it clear? Now I am going to recite the next stanza. Listen carefully. My halls were empty like a cup. In every hall the sea came up till it could come no more. Listen, dears. Here the child has a wooden spade for what? To dig the sandy shore. What happened when the child dug the sand out of the shore with a spade? Yes, a hole was made. A hole was made at that place from where the sand was dug out. The boy tells us that holes look like an empty cup. What's the meaning of empty cup? Empty cup means nothing inside. Nothing inside. It was empty. The holes were empty like a cup. Yes, when the child dug the sandy shore, the holes were made. It looks like an empty cup. What is the next line? Yes, in every hole, the sea came up. Do you know how the sea will come up? Can you think it? Yes, when the waves of the sea rise, they reach the shore also. Dears, do you know what is a sea wave? Yes, when the waves of the sea rise, they reach the shore also. In this way, the sea comes up. When the sea waves rise, the waves reach the shore. What happened when the waves reach the shore? Yes, the seawater gets filled in the holes which were dug by the child. These holes couldn't receive any more water because they were already full. Yes, the holes were completely full. No more space was left in these holes. Is it clear? Yes, the boy dug some holes at the seashore with a spade, and he says it looks like an empty cup. But when the waves of the sea rise, they reach the shore and filled the holes. Dear kids, did you understand this poem? What did we see there? Is when the child was down beside the sea. What did he do there? Yes, he dug some holes with a spade were at the seaside. The boy, he had a wooden spade and he dug some holes at the seaside. It was empty. The holes were empty like a cup. But after some time, the sea came up and filled these holes with the water. Is it clear? Dears, recite this poem 2 or 3 times. Don't forget that. Now I am going to introduce a few new words for you. Listen here. First word is spade. First one is spade. Spell the word spade. S-P-A-D-E. Spade. Second one is dig. Spell the word dig. D-I-G. Dig. Third one is shore. Spell the word shore. S-H-O-R-E. Shore. Next word is empty. Spell the word empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Last one is holes. H-O-L-E-S. Holes. Dears, let's revise all these words. Listen. First, spade. Second one is dig. Third, shore. Next one is empty. Last word is holes. Write all these words in your notebook. Hope you understood today's class. It's time to wind up. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.